All right, so this is use case 3, the big data strategy decomposition process part 2 by team 3, which is Mark, Freddie, Nathan, Sophie, and myself. So for this part, we have exercises 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we're going to start with exercise 5. So the prompt was to brainstorm the different data sources that you might need to support those use cases. So potential internal structured data, we would use operational data on emissions and energy usage, so manufacturing of our products, and the coolers that store our products as Coca-Cola. And then sales data for collection rate of Coca-Cola products. For potential internal unstructured data, we would use presentations from our company, video and audio files, emails, and social media postings. And then for potential external data sources that we also might want to consider, we have government and energy provider data on renewable energy. So that's what we're going to be working with and looking at is renewable energy and how we can improve Coca-Cola on that side. And then waste management data for collection rate. For exercise 6, we have the prompt of use the data assessment worksheets to determine the relative business value and implementation feasibility of each of the identified data sources with respect to the different use cases. So this right here is our key. In the example, it was a pie chart of what's worst and best. But for our key, we're going to have 1 as the worst and 4 as the best as a Likert scale. So just quickly, I'm not going to go over all of these, but the most important would probably be operational data, because these are internal and structured. Operational and sales data would probably be the most beneficial to us. We want to explore what more renewable energy data that Coca-Cola has, so it might not be great for sales data. That might not correlate as much, but we would find outside data sources for sales data in regards to renewable energy data. Presentations, video and audio files, and emails and social media postings could help a little bit in like the data that we already have, but exploring that data would be more beneficial for Coca-Cola in general. And then government data and waste management data would be good sources for renewable energy data, greenhouse gas emissions, and managed collection rates. So that's a little quick overview of that. So for exercise 7, the prompt was use the prioritization matrix to rank each use case vis-a-vis business value and implementation feasibility over the next 9 to 12 months. So as we can see on the y-axis, we have business value, so low to high, and then implementation feasibility, low to high, on the x-axis. So we can see that collect renewable energy data through renewable energy providers and governmental services is moderate feasibility, but high business value. And then it just grows in feasibility and business value as we go through the use cases. Ending with understanding R&D innovations for packaging and design. Packaging design and connected coolers to analyze effect on emissions. That is the highest feasibility, implementation feasibility, and the highest business value. And then going to our business strategy. So this matrix shows our plan and our goals. So our overall strategy is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 25% by 2030. And then the initiatives, innovation in packaging design and increasing collection rate, investments in renewable energy and manufacturing, more hydrofluorocarbon-free and intelligent connected coolers. And then our desired outcomes are here, and then use cases are here. So that is a little overview of use case 3. Thank you for watching.